What's going on YouTube? I'm back again with another video, and in this video today I'm gonna walk you through installing it's basically the same steps for 8, 6, 4, basically the same steps, but I'm finna walk you guys through my process of installing 12 rock lights, 3 in each wheel well. Should be pretty bright on my Sportsman high lifter. Most of you guys know about that. I ran 8, 2 in each wheel well. They were pretty bright. So I just went with 12 this time. Try something new. But they already, see, they already come pre-wired. Your switch is already in the. Your switch is already, you already got a switch. Come with the red and black plus and minus and a fuse. And basically just mount these to the red and black, mount them to the battery, and put the switch where you want it to put. And yeah, mount your rock lights. I'm going to try double-sided tape. Some indoor, outdoor double-sided tape. More than likely, it's not gonna last that long. If one fall off while I'm trying to do it, or one fall off while I'm doing it that way, I'm just gonna go ahead and drill. Cause I really didn't want to drill into my plastic. Before it was basically brand new. I didn't want to drill into my plastic. So if the double-sided tape doesn't work, I'm gonna have to fill in. Well, I'm gonna have to drill through my plastics. But I also got some, as you guys can see, some new headlight bulbs. I got them off Amazon. If I can find them, I'll put the link in the description. I'll put the link in the description for this 12 count rock lights and all of that. So yeah, stay tuned. Let me get all of them untangled and yeah. Alright YouTube, this is basically the second day. I got done with this one last night. Another video when I was telling you guys off in the start. But I got one right there, and one up in there. And I got this one that's up in here. I ran the line around the top part of the plastic over there by the headlight bulbs and zip tied it to some of the lines over there. And another thing, I did replace my headlight bulbs. I got LEDs, high beams and low beams. A lot of folks say water get in these housing, so if it does, I will. More than likely, whatever set of tires I put on here, cause they're gonna be big, they're gonna rip the headlight out regardless. I hope it doesn't, but more than likely it will. And I'm just running the light bar. But I'm running the light bar anyway, so I have headlights basically. But yeah, these LEDs, well not LEDs, rock lights. I got 3. I'm putting 3 on each wheel well. I already got one. Like I said, one right there, and one in there. Wiring wise, it comes with so much extra wiring than what it needs. So I basically just zip tie all the wiring up right there to the other wires that's right there. It's not blocking anything of any sort, and if anything need to be changed or anything, you can always just unplug the wires from their little like those little plugs right there. You can always unplug the wire from these little plugs right here and move them out the way if you need to. But yeah, another thing, I ran heat shields around the wire right here. Because it's coming right by the engine. Hopefully it helps keep those wires cool and don't melt over time. But yeah, I got heat shield running out there. I'm planning on mounting the box right there in that area. I can sit it flat right there in that area. And it comes with their own switch. I'm gonna run the switch up here right up on the handlebar somewhere. So yeah, I got this side done. And I'm just starting the back right side. I'll pick you guys back up when I get this side. Alright guys, I'm done with it. It's probably, if I had to get out of 3 wrenches, 3 being the hardest, 1 being the easiest, it's a solid 1.5, 2 wrenches. It's right in the middle. It's something you can do by yourself. At first I didn't want to drill through my plastics to mount the rock lights, and I tried some double-sided tape, but I already knew it was gonna fall out because it was falling off in the beginning. So I just did. Drill through. Oh well, it'll be alright. Drill through the plastics. Small hole, not nothing too big or serious. It's just in case I want to take them out, I can. And the holes wouldn't be real big or anything like that. But yeah, like I said, the wiring is so much. But yeah, 3 parts on each side. Wiring right there. 3 parts under each side. all the wiring piled up there. I'm gonna see when I go get some more stuff done. Right there, rock light right there, and right there. So it's 3 under each wheel well. Right there, right there, right there, and the wire stuff back there. I'm gonna see, can I get someone to cut them wires and make them shorter so it won't be piled up like that real bad. But more than likely, if it doesn't bother anything, I'm not gonna worry about it. It came mounted, it came with red and black and fuse. I don't know if I need to put some grease inside that or silicone around the edge so water won't get in it. But I got that stuff in there. That's the box that controls everything. 6 on one side, 6 on the other side. I also put some aluminum wire tubing. This stuff right here. Yeah. Some of this on some of the wires coming off this side. You can see the tubing right there running down by the exhaust. I ran some tubing right there. I ran some in the front too, right up in there. And I also ran some on this side. You can see a little bit right there. I just ran the downside because you know the wires come from the mother box and down. And right by the motor on this side and right by the exhaust on that side. And I didn't want the exhaust of the motor melting the wire, so I ran some tubing around that, so that should be good. But yeah, you guys, like I said, I'll get you some, I'm gonna throw some clips of it at nighttime at the end. And yeah, I'm gonna throw some clips of it at nighttime at the end of this video. And like I said, build coming together slowly but surely. I ordered some, like I said, I put some LED headlights in the front. I believe they're 65, that's the box right here. They are, I use the Beam Tech ones off Amazon. Yeah, 65, 100K, Exxon white. And I use these for the H11 auto line LED light. They're the same color bulb, but just 2 different brands. And I got those in the front. I'll show you how the difference of those at nighttime too. You can see this one. Actually, you can see the Beam Tech in. No, those are the other ones. You can't see the Beam Tech in those. But if they start leaking, more than likely, I'm not gonna worry about if they do leak or not, because I'm gonna have a light bar and I'm not gonna turn them on. And if they do start filling up with water real bad, my tires might just snatch the headlight bulbs out and they just leave them alone. Yeah, but that's what I did for headlight wise. I got some far mud and halos on the way. Let me know if you guys want to see me a video of installing those, and I'll install those for you guys. And I also got some RJWC tail lights on the way. They will be here this week, Wednesday. I'll make a video of installing those for you guys. I'm trying to pump out as many videos as I can for you guys dealing with this quad. They easy to take out. You just twist and pull, and the little connector right here. The RJWC, they send you a light for this one and the light for this one, and the lights splice into one, which you can just plug and play into this. So yeah, I'll make a video on it when they get here and show you guys everything about it. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna throw some clips on at the end. All right, guys, so we'll give you a clip of the headlights and the underglow for the quad. So let me turn it back off so y'all can see. That's the low beam, pretty bright, and that's the high beam. Nothing. High beam, low beam. They look pretty good. Sure you got the underglow. That looks pretty good too. I believe you can adjust it to make it brighter. Cause I got the app and stuff for it, I don't know. But yeah, that's how it looks at night. Look pretty good to me, I like it. Let me see, can I change the color? You can change color, you can make it pulse back and forth, get real bright, and then go back down. It got a lot of different modes on it. Like I said, this is just the system that I bought on Amazon, I believe. The system, the LED rock light system I got, and the headlights in the description below this video, so you guys can check them out. But yeah, I got one right there, and one inside here. They look pretty good. I like it. So next probably gonna be the RJWC's tail light that'll be here Wednesday. I'm gonna get a video of them for you guys, and whenever the halos get here, I'm gonna get a video of them for you guys, installing that and letting you guys know. Like I said, it's pretty simple. This kit I had was pretty simple. Only problem I had was all that extra wiring that I didn't need, and that was the only problem I had. But yeah, that's the kit. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.